Welcome back to another Lovable to GitHub tutorial, guys. Many settings have been changed so far, so I thought I should make a new videos for you guys so that you can simply export your Lovable projects to host it anywhere or for further developments. So if you are watching this video, I assume that you have already built your amazing looking Lovable website and now you are ready to export your codes and create something new or host it anywhere. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to show you the two methods in this video to export the Lovable projects, and the second one is more efficient one. So I will suggest you guys to watch this complete video till the end to grab the knowledge. Okay, so let's get started. So for the method one, you will need to click on this code icon over here, right here. Okay, and after that you will be able to see all the codes available for your website. Okay, you can click any of these files and you will be able to see a download option over here, and you just need to click on the download button and your particular code file will be downloaded. Okay, this is a more manual kind of method, so you will need to invest a lot of time to download the projects this way. But I am going to show you another method which is more automatic and optimized way to download the Lovable project. Okay, so for that you will need to create an account on github.com. If you don't know about the GitHub, then it is a very useful tool used by the developers worldwide to push, pull, or further co-help each other to develop projects or to download code files. Okay, so you will need to create an account over here. You just need to click on the sign up button right here and you will be able to sign up using your Google account. So it's free to use, so make sure you create your account over here. After that, let's go back to Lovable again and make sure to click on settings over here, and you will be able to see the GitHub option under project tab, Git. Okay, so make sure you click on this GitHub option and you will be able to connect your GitHub account with the Lovable. Okay, you just need to click on add connection, and after that you will be able to install a new account. So just click on this add account option and it will connect you to your GitHub account. It will ask for the permissions, so make sure you allow the permissions in your GitHub account which you want to connect with Lovable. Okay, just click on it, and after that it will ask you to allow the access for the repositories or folders you have created. So make sure you install and authorize with all the repositories, and it will send you a verification code on your email. So make sure to click on send a code via email, and after that click on verify via email and it will send you the code. You just need to access your email, so copy the code and let's go back to the Lovable again and let's paste our code and click on verify button, and great, it will start connecting and our GitHub account has been successfully connected to our Lovable account. Okay, and it will start pushing all the codes automatically on our GitHub account, and you will be able to see it from using this link or using view on GitHub button. Okay, and here we can see all the codes have been already exported to our GitHub account, and you can simply click on this code button and let's click on this download zip, and all the codes will be bundled and download as a zip folder. So you can simply extract it and view all the codes available right here. So after exporting your codes, you can simply host it on Hostinger. I have made a dedicated video on that as well, and I will put the link into the description. So if you want to know how to do it, make sure to watch that video as well, or you can use it into any code editor and further develop your website however you like using Claude or any other AI tools. Okay, so this is how it works. You can simply download your project from Lovable to GitHub, and I hope you have liked this video. So make sure to like this video, comment on this video and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.